Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of the Ledger Nano S Plus, a cutting-edge hardware wallet designed to secure your cryptocurrency assets. In this guide, we will explore its features, setup process, and how you can maximize its potential. Hardware wallets, like Ledger Nano S Plus, are essential for securely storing private keys offline, providing robust protection against hacks and online vulnerabilities. To get started, visit the official Ledger website, where you'll find an intuitive interface showcasing their range of hardware wallets. The Ledger Nano S Plus stands out for its enhanced memory, compatibility with over 5,500 cryptocurrencies, and integration with Ledger Live, a user-friendly app for managing your crypto portfolio. Upon receiving your Ledger Nano S Plus, ensure the box is sealed and tamper-proof. Inside, you'll find the device, a USB-C cable, and a recovery sheet. Connect the wallet to your computer and download Ledger Live from the official site. Follow the on-screen prompts to initialize the device. You'll set up a PIN and securely write down your 24-word recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is your lifeline to access funds if the wallet is lost or damaged. Once your wallet is set up, you can begin managing crypto. Open the Ledger Live app, select Add Account, and choose the cryptocurrencies you wish to store. The Nano S Plus supports a wide array of coins and tokens, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to DeFi tokens. Transfer your assets from exchanges by generating a unique receive address through the app. Ledger Nano S Plus also provides seamless integration with third-party platforms, enabling staking and other passive income opportunities directly from your wallet. Its robust security features ensure your funds remain safe during these operations. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you explore the Ledger Nano S Plus, don't forget to activate firmware updates regularly to ensure optimal security. Avoid storing your recovery phrase online or sharing it with anyone. Physical security of the recovery sheet is paramount. Finally, if you're ready to take control of your cryptocurrency with unmatched security, head to the link in the description for an exclusive bonus offer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto.